Welcome guys, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and like I am excited on every video that I come out here. How are you? I hope you guys are doing well today. We have another tutorial on LeasedAdSpace for you guys. I love this traffic source, guys. I really do. And I try to use it as my training ground. And the reason why I'm putting out more content on LeasedAdSpace is because I think it is so undervalued in the marketplace at the moment. It is really undervalued, and I don't think enough of people realize that what they have already, if you guys do have LeasedAdSpace, is a gold mine in terms of getting traffic, in terms of training yourself, in terms of building your skills in this industry that we're in. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to this channel, guys, and you want to know more about marketing or cryptocurrency, hit the subscribe button below, because that's going to give you the possibility, once you click on the subscribe button and then hit the notification bells, to get further videos from myself in later videos. Okay, and just to be in contact with the journey that I am on. I'm not joining any new companies. I'm not doing anything new than what I have been doing the last year, and I want to be more vocal about it. Okay, because the last year I've been doing it on a, let's say, a silent basis and not really talking about it. So I really need to put out more videos in order for you guys to see the process that any individual marketer can start doing on their own as well. Okay, so this is why I recommend you to hit the subscribe button. Also, you will find the exact strategy which I use in order for me to build my business online in terms of marketing and everything in the comment section below. Sorry, not in the comment section below, but in the description of this video. Okay, so if you want to know more about that, just go there, enter your email address, and I will give you the information. And LeasedAdSpace is one of the bonuses that we provide if you do want to get started with LeasedAdSpace. But it's a bonus, guys. Okay. Primarily, I want you to find out the method that we're using. In today's video, we're going to talk about LeasedAdSpace. And if you're an existing member of LeasedAdSpace, then I'm sure you already know about the blog that we have. Now, the blog has a few advantages. I've already spoken about this in previous videos on my channel, but I'm going to create a blog today, and we're going to just basically post a blog post live, and we're going to talk about the advantages, the disadvantages to it, and how you can start to generate, if you're consistent with it, you start to generate more leads online. And I am going to be more consistent in it as well. So this is sort of, at the same time that it's a video for you guys to, and a tutorial as well, it is also accountability kind of video for myself, that I keep going and posting more marketing content, because I'm really good at being consistent on one platform, but I need to start being consistent on the platforms that I'm already currently at. So this is something that I'm going to be talking about more, just like FutureNet and FutureAd Pro and many other websites that I use in order for me to build my business online, guys. So let's get into it. Link to my Facebook is below in case you want to ask questions to me directly. Feel free to leave your comments as well and feedback. I would appreciate it a lot. Just in case you don't understand anything, if you want some feedback from me. Remember, guys, we're all here on this journey together. I'm not an expert for sure, and I will be learning for the next 10-20 years of my journey in this space. But at the same time, 6 years has given me a little bit of an edge in terms of what I can talk about and how I can present it to you guys. So that's why I'm here to share, but I'm no expert. So don't go, what I've noticed a lot on YouTube and YouTubers, there are people who are basically trolling, and just think about it. Don't waste your time on that and start focusing on yourself, right? The more love you spread, the better it is, instead of spreading hate and animosity in the world. So think about that before you go ahead and comment, and let me know your feedback about this video and the future videos that I'm going to be putting out on this website. I will try to talk a bit slower, but I just want to go into my LeasedAdSpace account. Right now, I have the Emerald package, which allows me to send traffic every 10 days. Send a solo ad to over 3,000 people, guys. And right now I can also send a solo ad. So just after this video that we're going to be doing, I am going to send a solo ad to 3,000 plus people in order for me to start generating more leads as well. Okay, and this is a consistent thing that I need to do every single 10 days. Okay, so if I go to the solo ads that I have, sorry, dashboard, and let's just scroll down to the solo ads that I have placed, which was right here on cryptocurrency. But the last time I did post this was, let's check it out. Let's check it out. It was on the 23rd of January. So we're just about 11 days, which is why I can go ahead and post another solo ad, which I will be doing right. Oops, sorry guys, that was just something in the background that fell. Ignore it. But as I said, yeah, so let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, we are going to create a blog. So we go to personal blog, member area, personal blog. If you guys want to know what more about LeasedAdSpace, what it is exactly, it's a safe list which allows you also to get different kinds of traffic methods, so you can test yourself in terms of copywriting text ads and basically any kind of advertising, and also solo ads. Okay, it's going to help you a lot with solo ads, and that solo ad writing is going to in turn help you with your email marketing, which you need in any business. Okay, your blog, it's poetry, it's pure poetry. Okay. Let me just give you an idea about LeasedAdSpace. As you can see, there are different numbers right here. I have published quite a few blogs, but these are all SEO targeted blogs. What I mean to say is that right now I was not focusing on the SEO, but the more I write, the better it is for me. Why is it better for me? Because the more I write, okay, the more the blogs start to show up regarding certain topics on Google searches. And the more they show up on Google searches, people can then go to my profile and view exactly what I have to offer. Okay, and I need to change out these videos because I don't want to. I need to update my profile just a bit. But you can see that when they go to my profile, they see what kind of a member I am. If they click on this, they go to my landing page. So that allows me to collect the lead right there and basically generate more leads. If I want to show them a marketing system, this is a cheaper marketing system that I use, just $7 one-time payment, but these links are on my website, it's on my profile itself. So the amount of visitors that have been here, already 716 people have viewed my profile, right? So as the amount of SEO searches go up also, right, with my blogs and the consistently putting it out, people will read my content. If they want to reach out to me on Facebook or Twitter or wherever, they can go ahead and do it. So it just gives me more exposure. And in the marketing game, guys, we are looking for exposure more than anything else in our business. Exposure, 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 exposure. Try to say that 3 times fast. It's going to be difficult for you. But in today's video, we're going to write a blog post. So I've already set up actually a blog. You have 2 options here. You can go to blog admin home. So let's just open that for you guys to see. And with that, it just gives you the main websites, as you can see right here. Okay, that's the first thing. The second one is draft a post. Now when you click on draft a post, you can definitely put a title, body, you can add a link, a picture, whatever it is that you feel the need to do, right? So I have in Notepad here just quickly drafted a blog out. I'm just going to copy this, and then we're going to do the editing on LeasedAdSpace itself. Okay, so just going to paste that there, and this is pretty much the blog that I wanted to write. Now what have I written here? What I've written here is pure content, guys. Okay, I'm not pitching anybody. It is pure content in terms of what I want to give. So like the title says, 2 tips to effectively give your message through email. Okay, or communicate, let's say, communicate your message through email. Now why am I doing this is all given actually in the email, sorry, in the blog post. So what I wrote, this blog post is simply about a few things. The first thing that it's about is going to show you about 2 exact tips or strategies that I use in order for me to write my daily emails, but also write my email follow-up. An email follow-up is a series of 7 to 14 emails, let's say, as a minimum, to start off with when somebody puts their name in your landing page, whichever one it may be. Then they go to a set of email series that you can already program right from the beginning using an autoresponder. So there's a certain, there are 2 points that I use, which I will be talking about this more in future videos. And I want to give you guys these tips as well in the videos that you're watching, so you're gaining content from these videos is not just show you how to do something. It is giving you nuggets that can help you in your marketing journey for free. Okay, so the two nuggets that I want to give you guys in this video, okay, which is part of the training, so take it seriously, write it down if you would like, is when you're writing an email, okay, when you're writing content, there's something that is called first of all, targeting to whom you're writing, and then providing a solution to it. This is what you hear many marketers say. Now I'm going to take it out of context in a bit, and I'm going to show you right now, which I've written in this blog as well, the 2 tips for me to write an effective email. Okay, a very effective email. I'm going to give you an example of the blog itself. So I'm writing about the blog, very honest. I know that I'm writing to LeasedAdSpace members mostly, but I know that other people might see it, so I just want to give out some good tips. Okay, so we're talking about email marketing in this blog, etc., etc., etc. And the first point is right here. So I'm going to highlight this in bold as we go about, and it's pain, guys. Okay, the first is pain. So I want to also italic this so people can see it. Let's change this. Emphasize, a little bit of editing, guys, here and there, and I want to underline a few things. So the first is pain. Okay, pain is one of the key tips that I want to give you guys in this video. Now you may think that, David, why pain? You focusing on the people who are suffering, are struggling, are not getting the results. Well, to tell you the truth, guys, any product or service that is made is solving a problem, is solving somebody's pain. Now, the word pain is has such a strong emphasis that people take it the wrong way. But what a pain is, or what a pain point is just a point of change. And what this means is that if you are looking to develop yourself, you have a pain point, right? You as an individual have a pain point because you want to develop yourself. Think about that for a second. Let it enter your body and mind, and understand this is the key. Okay, so when you start to whether it is a health industry, or it's a dog walking industry, or it's what is the pain point, for example, as a dog walker? It allows you as an individual to save time. So you're advertising and you're hitting the pain point that you as a dog owner, you do not have the time. That is a pain. Okay, that is pain itself. That's an emotion that you're hitting when you're marketing. So that's the first thing. Okay, and when you give the pain and you express the pain, you explain it, etc., etc., you don't have to say it's a pain, but you can express it in different words. It allows you then to provide, the second tip is the cure. Okay, the cure. And the cure for this kind is basically a solution. Okay, it's basically a solution. That's what it is. So you're providing the answer for the person who is interested in it. And that's what we're doing. So these are the 2 key points that I frame, or I use any of my emails. In the same email, I provide these 2 options, and I keep doing it in different methods. The more creative you start to be, the more you start to write, you start to gain accessibility to words and to your skill set in marketing to be able to use pain and cure as one of the key features. Now there are many things in between that which you can use, but these are the main things that I wanted to bring across. So what have we learned today? Pain and cure. You master that and you will see yourself making more effective emails, high conversion rates as well. Give it time and consistency and you will master it perfectly. And this is what I write in my blog, guys, because I want people to understand that it is valuable content that I'm sharing with them. I'm not just sharing any bullshit, right? And so this is the reason for my content, and this is the reason for me writing all of this. Okay, so I'm just putting it down very briefly, etc., 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 and then I put it out here. You want to master yourself. In order for you to get more tips, check out my marketing strategy here. So as you can see, this right here is a call to action for them. Okay, I'm providing a call to action, and what I want to put in, what link I want to put in is right here. Okay, I want to send them to my landing page, which is my business. I'm going to send them here. Take them to new, insert, and I'm going to make this bold and italic and underline it. so that people know that they can click on it. So when they click on this right now, they go to my landing page immediately. So which is congruent to what I'm writing, right? I'm telling them what they're going to get. So when they go to this page, they know that they're going to get something from me. So I'm telling them right in advance before they click it what they're going to get. And let's work together and get you up to speed. That's about it, guys. Okay, I've put in a simple blog. Okay, pretty effective in terms of giving valuable content. I've shared the content with you. You can actually use it. And then I hit published and I click save. And that's about it. I've done it. I've put this blog out there in the world, in the internet. And now I can generate more traffic, views as I go on. So the more blogs I post, the better it becomes for me. Okay, the more blogs I post, the better it becomes for me. Why? Because it starts to generate more leads for me. So that's about it from this video, guys. Hope you guys got an idea of what LeasedAdSpace has to offer for you for free. I mean, if you just come here and you get the most basic option, which is $7, okay, you still get the opportunity to send a solo ad once a month to over 3,000 people, and you get access to the blog, which you can write every single day, guys, and start to generate more leads through that. The more effective you get at blog writing, the more effective it becomes for you. So that's what I'm going to do myself this year. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Share your comments and ideas and thoughts in the comments below if you did like the content as well that you got from this video. Have a great day. My name is David Pinto. Pave the way for your dreams to come true, and I'm going to see you on the next video. He's not brave.